Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculating the number of amino acids from mRNA is actually super simple if you follow these steps. Let's solve this biology problem together right now. First, we need to identify the mature mRNA length by adding up all the exon segments shown in the figure. We must ignore the introns because they are spliced out completely. Next, we subtract the non-coding regions like the 5' and 3' untranslated areas. This leaves us with the coding sequence, which is exactly 795 nucleotides long. Finally, divide that total by 3 since each codon has 3 bases. This calculation gives us 265, making option A the correct choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given data and check your steps.